future office of Red Tree Builders. We're on 301 Merriman Avenue, which is, as you can probably see, the amount of cars going by me on one of the major roads on the north side of town, only a few minutes from downtown, in a building with dropping water over my head that's been condemned for about 15 years now. And so this is the old Kim's Oriental building right between Musician Workshop, Merriman Avenue Baptist, Brookstone Baptist. It's been sitting here for a long time, and I've had my eyes on this along with my wife Amanda. I'm just like, man, that's a cool little space that really needs some love. And so here we are, and this is what it looks like today. But really the vision is for us to be able to take an impact on our community, bring this building back to life. And so hopefully by the time this is all said and done, you're going to see a whole new space here. So we're really looking to highlight kind of how we transform the area. We get a commercial space here that has kind of right next to a duplex that we got with it, and then a former hair salon on the back of the property. So we've got about 0.25 acres here on Merriman with 3 structures, all kind of with different history, different things that had happened. But this being where our office is, roof is falling down, things have got mold, mildew, it's just disgusting. So I hope you enjoy we take this building and all 3 buildings, bring them back to life, add value here in the community, and really show what we can do at Red Tree Builders.